Sending money across borders or between banks can feel like navigating a maze, but receiving a wire transfer into your Chase account doesn't have to be. First, understand that Chase, like all banks, needs specific information to properly route the wire transfer to your account. This information is what you'll provide to the person or institution sending the transfer. The most important details are your full name as it appears on your account, your Chase account number, and Chase's routing number. Your routing number depends on the state where you opened your account, so verify you have the correct one. You can find this information on your checks, bank statements, or within the Chase mobile app or website. If the wire transfer is coming from overseas, you'll also need to provide Chase's SWIFT code. That's CHASIS33. Providing this SWIFT code ensures the international bank knows precisely where to send the funds. Make sure to give all of this information to the sender. Double check that they have everything accurately recorded to prevent any delays or complications. Once the sender initiates the wire transfer, processing times can vary. Domestic transfers usually arrive within 13 business days. International transfers may take longer, potentially 35 business days, or even longer. Keep an eye on your Chase account activity online or through the app to confirm when the wire transfer has been deposited. You can also call Chase customer service to inquire about the status of the transfer if needed. Finally, be aware of potential fees. Chase may charge a fee for receiving incoming wire transfers. These fees can vary, so check Chase's current fee schedule or contact them directly to understand the associated costs. And that's it. Providing the correct information upfront and understanding potential processing times and fees will make receiving your wire transfer into your Chase account a breeze.